Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show your social feeds on your website. In this example here, I was able to add my Instagram feed on my own website, and if I click here, it's going to show as a pop-up, but it's highly customizable, so people can come over here and go through your pictures, and if they want to view this on Instagram, they can just click here to view on Instagram. You can also customize it to have this button here so they can follow you on Instagram after they've seen this on your website. Now, there's also a way of showing your YouTube videos. So if I come over here, this is now showing my latest YouTube videos. So this plugin is allowing us to pull all our social feeds, and here are my YouTube videos. You know, one thing I like about this layout here is beautiful. You can go in and also customize this to however you want it. You can even have 4 videos. You can have 3 videos, you can have more information here on the description and so on. So as you can see, this is very powerful. It also works with Twitter, but WP Social Ninja has a lifetime license. All that information is in the video description below. If you buy it using my affiliate link, I'll also give you access to the course that teaches you how to use this plugin effectively. All those details are in the video description below. It is lifetime and time is running out. If you don't get it as soon as possible, the lifetime deal is going to go and you'll have missed a great opportunity. All right, guys, without wasting a lot of time, let's dive in and let's get started. All right, so what we need to do to install our social feeds is to come over here to plugins, click on add new. You want to search for WP Social Ninja, click on install. Now, in my case here, I've already gone ahead and installed it and activated it. So in your case, you want to click on install and then activate. So this is the free version, but what you need is the pro version. So to get the pro version, you need to go to the link that I provided in the video description below. This has a lifetime deal, and this is also limited in time. So you want to get this as soon as you can. So the prices are down here. You can see this is $99 for a lifetime license. And if you compare with the other competitors, you are getting a great deal. So over here as well, these are the prices: $99 for 1 domain. For 25 domains, it's $299. And unlimited domain is $499. So I highly recommend you go for more domains because I'm pretty sure you're going to be using this plugin on so many websites. Okay, so let me show you now what happens after you've purchased. So you'll get your dashboard here. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. And what I need to do here is to copy my license key. And you can see here I have a lifetime deal. And if I come over here, you want to click here on WP Social Ninja. This will download it onto your computer. So do that. And here it is. Next, you want to come over here to your site, click upload plugin, and then you just want to drag and drop this over here and install. Now, I already have this installed on my website, so I don't need to go in and install it. So once you've installed it, next you want to come over here to settings. All the way down here, you're going to get your license settings. And this is where you need to add your license key. And then once you've added your license key, you're pretty much good to go. Now let's head over here to all platforms. So these are our social feeds. So we need to connect them. So connecting them is quite easy. So all you have to do is to click on this little icon here. And now it says log into Twitter and get my access key and token. Now, if you don't have a Twitter account, this will not work. You need to have a Twitter account first in order for you to connect it. Okay, you can also connect this manually. So you can click here and now it's redirecting me back. So this has pulled my account, which is Mac 17, and it's saying connected now. So I'm just going to close out of here and you can see it's active. Now, let's say I also want to do YouTube. All I have to do is to click on this gear icon as well. Now it's asking for my API key. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click here on this drop down and use this option here. And then I'm going to sign in and get the Google access code. So I'm going to click on that. It opens up in a new tab. And this is my account. And this is my YouTube channel. So next I'm going to say allow Social Ninja. I'm going to click here on allow. And this is the code which I need, which I'm going to copy here like that. Back over here on my site, I'm just going to paste it like that and then click on save. So now I've been verified and it's all connected now. Okay, so let's do the other one, which is Instagram. And for Instagram, same thing. You click on this little icon here, and then I'm going to continue with Instagram. And this is my account here as well. So I'm going to click on allow. In your case, you have to select your account. Now, once selected, now it's connected, which is brilliant. So I'm going to close out of here. So you're probably wondering, so now that everything is connected here, we have our social feeds all connected. How do we set it up in such a way that we can go in and add it on our own website? Now, here's the thing. Let's say I need to add YouTube. Okay, so what you need to do is to come over here to all templates. You want to click on add new template. So the templates you want to add here, we have a review template, Twitter, YouTube, or Instagram. So the one I'm going to do here is Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add, and notice what's happening here. It's pulling all that data from Instagram. Now we also have other options here to go in and make further customizations. So let's start off with the template. So if I come over here to the template, we have different types of templates here. So we have this number one here, and then we also have this one. So this one here will have your captions and also the comments, the numbers. But you know what? I need to do a good job of adding all my comments on there. So let me stick with this one here. It's clean and simple. So once you're happy with that, you just click on go back. Over here, we also have the number of columns. So if you prefer to have, say, 4 columns, you can just do it that way. In fact, you know what? I think I like 4 columns. All right. So here we have the column gap. So you could say narrow, and you can see now the gap has been narrowed. So I'm going to go with small. Next, I'm going to come over here to filters. So here you can set things up the way you want. So let's say the number of posts to display, we have 50. So you can bring this down to say maybe 40 or 20 or whatever it is you want to do. In fact, you know what? Let's set it to 20. Okay. And then you can set this in ascending order, and you can also select your type of post. So if you want to just show videos, you can just select videos. And in this case, these are the videos I have. So that's me in the gym and that's me playing tennis. Or you can just say all posts or just show images. And over here, you can also add your hashtags, and the hashtag will display all the information over here. Right. So you can also hide specific posts if you want to. Next, let's head over here to post. So over here, you can choose to open on Instagram. So if someone clicks this image here or the video, it will open on Instagram. So that's the option. Or you can just open as a pop-up. So I would like this to open as a pop-up on my website. So I'm going to select pop-up. We can also display the caption, or we can just remove it. So I don't have any captions, but this is how you would remove it. And these are the caption words. Okay, so it also displays the like count and the comment count as well. Now, I don't need to worry about that. Now, over here, we have the pop-up box. So there's also further customizations we can do. So we can just undo or untoggle stuff here. So display comments, we can just remove that. Call to action button, we can remove that as well if you want to. So you can really go in and highly customize this. Next, let's take a look here at the header. So the header is this area right here. Okay, this is the main header. So we can get rid of it completely, and you can see all I'm going to have is just my images. But if you want to have the header, there's also a few things that we can customize. So you can display profile photo or not. Now, I don't have a profile photo. Here, display username. I can remove my username here and just have it like that, nice and simple. We can also display full name if you want to, bio text and so on. Now, I don't have any of that. Now, this is where you'd add your custom profile photo. So if I click here, I can just add my profile photo and that will show up over here. I can also add my bio text, which again will describe what my Instagram is about. And we also have the follow button over here. Okay, so that's all we have for the header. Now over here for the follow button, we can display or remove the follow button, which is the button here. Now I highly recommend you leave it because of course you want people to follow you on Instagram. So I'll leave it there. And then you also have the text. You can customize this text to say whatever you want over here. We also have pagination here. So you can say load more, and this will show even more pictures. So let's say I say load 10 more, or in fact, let's say 8 more, or even 16 like that. Now, once you save your template, you can then go ahead and copy this shortcode And then you want to go to your website now. So let me just create a brand new page here. So let's call this Insta. I'm going to build this with the Divi Builder. Now, this plugin, WP Social Ninja, does not only work with Divi, it also works with Elementor, any page builder, and even Gutenberg, okay? So in this case, I just so happen to use Divi, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to add my shortcode. I'm going to click here on Build from Scratch, and then I'm just going to add my text module here. And then I'm just going to paste my shortcode, which I've just copied. I'm going to hit save, and then I am going to save the page and exit the Visual Builder. And then we're going to test and see how this now works. So there we go. If I scroll down here, this is my header area. Now let's take a look and see what happens when I click an image. So I'm going to click here on that one. Now you can see it is showing as a pop-up. I can scroll through this like that. And here's the video. Okay, so it's working really well. And what I can also do here is I can view on Instagram, and this will take me straight to Instagram. And if someone wants to follow me, they can just click here on follow, and this will take them straight to Instagram. Okay, so as you can see, this is very powerful. You now have social feeds on your own website. Now, the process is the same for YouTube and Twitter. So let's do the YouTube one. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to go back to all templates. So this is our Instagram template. If we need to add a new one, I can just click here and add the YouTube template, and here it is. So again, I can go in and really customize everything that I have here. I can see it's working because it has pulled my latest video here. So I'm going to come over here to template, and there's different templates I can choose from. I can go for this one here. So this one here does not have the description under the videos, which is something that you may want to do. And then template number 3. Oh, this one is a bit too messy. It's got all the text all over the place. So let's stick with this one here. At least it has the titles. Okay, so now that we've selected our template, the next step now is to choose how you want to display these. So I want to have 4 columns, so I can have more videos on the page. But of course, if you have fewer videos, you may want to go with perhaps maybe even 3. Okay, now the gap, like before, we're going to go for small. Just bring it down a little bit. And now we have our filters. We can set these with hashtags as well. So let me see what happens if we add hashtag Divi. I hit enter. And I can see now I'm only displaying videos that have a Divi hashtag, which is pretty cool. Okay, so you can really drill in and choose whatever videos you want to show here on your feeds. Next, we can also hide specific videos here. Next, we also have video. So here we can make a further customization. So we can display the play button, or we can remove it like that. But I think if we leave it on, it is better. The duration, that you can, toggle off and on. Display date. I don't think I want to display a date, so I'm going to remove that. And then here, display counter. Let's get rid of that. In fact, you know what? No, let's remove that. And then display description. I'm going to get rid of that. So all I'm going to need here is the title of the video. Okay, great. Next, I'm going to take a look here at the header. Now the header area is this part right here. So I can either display or remove the header altogether like that. Everyone knows what YouTube looks like, so I think I can do without the header for this template. So I'm going to click on Save Template. And again, just like how we did before, I can click here to copy the shortcode. And let's create a new page. So I'm going to click here, open this in a new tab, and let's call this latest YouTube videos. Okay, again, I'm going to use the Divi Builder to add my shortcode. I'm going to click on Build from Scratch, choose a single column, search for my text module here, and I am going to paste my shortcode like that. I'm going to hit Save Changes. I'm going to save the page and exit the Visual Builder. by clicking over here. There we go. So now we have our latest YouTube videos, and the layout and design looks really, really nice. And I really, really like how this is looking. Okay, so we're not done yet, because there is something which I came across while I was looking at the settings here. And this is also very, very important. So if you come over here to the settings and you click on YouTube settings, you can specify when you want to check or to pull the data. So here I've set it to 3 days, but if you're someone who's creating videos every single day, you can just come over here and set it to every day. So it'll go and check and pull the latest video at a specified time. I'm not sure what time it is, it will do that, but you always have the latest video over here. But if you do like a weekly video, you can set this to check every single week. And you can also clear the feed's cache over here. Click on Save Settings, and now it is going to pull the videos after every week. Now, this can also be done for Instagram. So if you come over here to Instagram, you can set this to a day. Now, I know I don't use Instagram a lot, so I will just save this to 3 days, hit Save Changes. By doing that, you're saving your website from really going and trying to pull information which does not even exist anyway. So this is what you need to do to set this all up. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.